Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you all are doing good. So today's topic is something very important. It is important because it will actually help you with the healing process, and also it will be amazing for your baby, because since you will start breastfeeding, it is very important that what you eat actually matters, because it's not only for you but also for the baby. So whatever we eat is what actually is gonna go for the baby. So it is important that what we eat. So I'm going to share with you guys the food items that I actually ate, and which actually helped me and actually also helped my baby. And that is how my baby is actually very healthy and fit he was, and even he is now. So I will definitely share all those information. So let's get started, and I would like to tell you guys the very important one is definitely protein. Let's get started with that, because protein is something, after all that process of the delivery and all, the mother, we will be extremely tired. So we know we need a lot of protein, because if we don't have that, it's very difficult for us to actually feed the baby. So for that, what we have to do is that we have to eat egg is really important, so please don't skip on egg. Eat at least one egg a day. And the yolk is also amazing. You can eat one yolk, and you can definitely eat more eggs, but you should avoid the yolk, because one yolk is enough for the day. And you can eat the white of the egg, outer layer of the egg, you can definitely eat. That is good. And definitely you should eat lot of dal. I ate lot of dal. I used to literally take a bowl full of dal and very less quantity of rice, and I used to just eat the dal, because dal has a lot of protein and is amazing. It does wonders. So please eat that, and it will definitely give you good protein. And after that, I would say something that is very important is iron rich food. So iron rich food, and you know what it is definitely spinach and dates. They are very good for strength. They will give you a lot of strength. So yes, you can add actually spinach in the dal, and you can make a dal of it, and you can drink that. And please ensure that don't go for heavily spicy food, because they are not good for you. They can create gas for you, and that can also impact for your baby. So avoid any kind of a junk, oily, and go for a simple food in the beginning stage, because it is very important. You have to heal. So yes, uh, see see that you are focusing more on iron food, protein rich. And these things are something which will actually help your delivery process as well. If you are someone who has got the cut, even for that process also you need to eat the food which will actually help you with the healing process. The early you heal, it's better for you and also for your baby. So please opt for something which is good and which is healthy. And also I ensure that I drank plenty of water, because water is very important. When you're breastfeeding, actually most of the milk actually that will be formed of water. So you have to ensure that you at least drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water, because that is what I did. I kept a bottle of 1 liter, and I ensure that at least 3 bottles I finish in a day. It is very important. Don't get dehydrated, because if you get dehydrated, then it's very difficult to feed your baby. So to ensure your baby is feeded well, and for that you have to consume lot of water. In case if you're not able to drink so much of water, what you can do, you can drink coconut water, or you can drink soups. All these are very good. Actually you can opt for that, they are good. And also you need calcium, because definitely calcium is the most important for your baby. So please don't avoid dairy products like milk and curd, paneer. All these are calcium rich, and they will do wonders. So please ensure that you drink milk as much as you can. It's very important for you and also for your baby's health. If you want to see your baby healthy and fit, you please ensure that you eat healthy. And also there is something that some fruits that you have to definitely eat, that is pomegranate, because after delivery there will be lot of blood loss. And to control the blood, you have to eat lot of pomegranate is very good. And also beetroot, this will help to maintain your blood cells. So please do eat this. And fruits, definitely fruits you should eat. They're very good. As I keep saying that fruits and vegetables are extremely good from the beginning of the journey of your pregnancy and post pregnancy also. They are amazing. And I remember when I was in a hospital, I had opted for the hospital food, and the hospital meal actually included lot of dal, less quantity of rice, and they were veggies. But veggies were very basic, with no spice and with no kind of what to call spiciness or salty and all. It wasn't like that. It was very simple and basic. And they had actually added this shredded coconut. So coconut is really good. It's for the baby and also for the mother. So please do opt for the simple food, at least for in the beginning, and definitely avoid any outside food and junk and all. It's not good for you and also for the baby. It will actually delay the process of healing, and it will not give enough of strength for your baby. So if you want healthy baby, so definitely avoid this. And apart from that, I would say, yes, just eat almonds and cashews and all. Even those are very good. I remember that actually my mom used to give me this fenugreek seed. She used to add it in the warm water, and she used to give me every day morning, because it actually increases the milk production. So yes, you can do that. It's important that you don't lack with the milk production. It's very important. And for that also, you can eat drumstick leaves. You can actually make a dish out of it. In YouTube you will find a lot of options where you can make it easy one, where you can also add the coconut shredded. It is very good for the milk production, and it's very good. It's iron rich actually, so you can definitely eat that. It increases the it increases the milk production. And also the methi leaves also does wonders, and also the fenugreek seeds also. That's nothing but methi seed itself, and you can soak that in water and you can drink it. It actually does wonder. I had done all of this, and it did wonders. I did not see my baby actually lacking with the milk. So yes, instead I would say that, the milk production was so great. So yes, it's very important. It's important for you as well as for your baby. So what you eat does matter a lot, and that's the reason why I wanted to share this video. So please take care of your health and rest, and also feed your baby well, and ensure that your baby is being feeded. So also, if there were a lot of questions that I had in mind, that is my baby having sufficient milk, and is my baby actually drinking milk or not. So of course, to find out that if your baby is latched properly and drinking the milk, you will definitely find out when they'll actually swallow. There will be a momentum over here in the throat. So if when you see that, you will definitely get to know that the baby is actually latched and baby is actually drinking. And also in your body also, you will feel that the actually flow is happening. So that is also another way. And apart from that, uh, when a baby is uh, when a baby gets off the latch, and or if they doze off also, that means the baby is actually done and the belly is actually full. So you don't have to worry about that. The body will actually produce enough of the milk for your baby. But just to ensure that there is no stop. I mean, sometimes it happens that the milk production actually will stop. So what you have to do to continue that, you have to definitely keep boosting it up by drinking this fenugreek water, or in warm water, or the what you call the sesame seeds also. It will actually produce. And then, as I told, drumstick leaves also, methi leaves and all this you have to eat, and you have to drink also, so that the flow will be there, and there will be no challenges for you and for your baby. So yes, that's all I would wanted to say, because apart from that, there's nothing much that you have to do. So just eat healthy and stay fit, avoid outside food, and feed your baby. Take good rest. When a baby is sleeping, you also rest, and please look after yourself and also after your baby. That's all for today, guys. And yes, take care. And if you guys have anything that you wanted to ask, or any questions you have, please do comment and ask me. I will definitely reply. and don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that more mothers, more parents who are planning for the baby will be able to watch these videos and get a lot of information. As I say, it's always best that you know prior then falling in the situation and then trying to figure out. So yes, that's all guys. So please don't forget to subscribe. That's all I would say. Take care and bye bye.